Alright, hey, how you doing? I'm gonna do a quick video of my truck. Let me see if I can turn that down. Alright, here we have the driver's seat. I have a Volvo VNL 780. That's my tablet, my GPS, and watching the news on there right now while I'm sitting here waiting for another load. See, you gotta excuse the mess. I've been in this truck for that's just my foot mat. Underneath the foot mat is a rug down there. But I've been in this truck for a month now, going on 4 weeks. Alright. And here we have the rear of the truck. Have my TV up there, 40 something inch television. And go back here to the back. It's my workspace. I have a bench. This bench, it folds down. The pillows come out from when it folds down. It makes a bed. I sleep up there. That's my bed. See if I get it down. All right. So that's the bed. When it's down, put it back up. All right. It stays up there, so that I sleep up there so that I don't have to lose my workspace and have to keep moving around my workspace all the time. So it's the other side of the bench. I sit here, I do my paperwork, I watch television. Alright, this truck has plenty of storage. We've got these cupboards which are above the windshield in the front. We have these space over here. We have the same thing over here. Behind the television, I have my printer, copier, scanner, fax machine for scanning documents for work that have to be sent in. Up here we have some storage as well. Put the TV back. Underneath the bench, there's the complete width and length of the bench. There's storage space on both sides. And drawers for my clothes, underwear, socks, and self-defense. Same thing here. 2 drawers over here. Then we have fridge and some more self-defense. And the fridge. It's got a fridge and a freezer. In here, plenty of space for food on the road. And microwave here. More storage space up here. Above that, there's a storage bin right there. Behind the bed up there, there's storage space. You have surround sound speakers. You have a speaker right there, another speaker right there, speaker here, some little storage space up there, speaker. These are windows. Go ahead and open one up. I keep them covered so that at night, keep the light out. And that's about it. That's my truck. Glove compartment down there. And that's the Volvo 780. I have 2 of the exact same trucks, same setup, Oh, I forgot the closet. Closet for clothes. In here, my Xbox. My Xbox is over there, over on the side. So when I'm not working, I can get on and play video games. Right now, I got it set up for the TV is set up for the computer, but I'll go ahead and head down. There's always some work going on. We get television on here, and want to sit back here and watch TV. Get all the channels of television. Here, let me get that going. Okay, live TV. It's alright in here. Sit right here. Some paperwork. I play Xbox. That's my Xbox controller, my remote. I can see what's going on outside if I want to. I'm right next to the fridge. Grab something to eat, drink. Got snacks up here. And that's it. That's the Volvo 780.